Today I want to talk to you about why we use herbs and how to use the herbs. So when we come to detoxing, we clean and then we strengthen. We clean by dry fasting, by using fruits primarily. The fruits are astringent, they pull out toxins, they make the lymph very fluid, so the acids can move from the lymph to the kidney so they can be eliminated. Remember, when it comes to health, it's all about elimination. You want to eliminate. How healthy you are is how effective you can eliminate acids and waste. Okay, so we use the fruit and the dry fasting to remove those acids, okay, to heal ourselves. And then we use the herbs to strengthen and give each organ and each part we're working on the extra boost they need. So when you combine the fruits with the herbs, you have a perfect thing to use to get yourself healthy again, okay? It will take time. It's not an overnight thing, but it's always great to use fruits with the herbs. Now, if you're confused about the herbs, which to use, don't worry, I'm gonna make a video on them. But basically, we use herbs that will help the kidneys, the adrenal glands, the endocrine system, and the colon, the stomach, and bowel system as well, okay? And they're highly effective, and you're gonna love them when you use them. You will feel the power in them. These are beauties from nature, gifts from nature given to us to help us heal. And it's just amazing what they can do. You will feel it and see it firsthand. So there's more of this coming up. Any questions, feel free and ask, please.